Phasalo Red Cross Deno Rwgwi Khlaijakha Kaisa sak Mwsnwgwi Thwi Rwmani Panda Chati Kwthar Mwswngwi Salni Pandano Chengsawi Rwkha Hasteni Hastepha Indra Sena Reddy Nallu Manjakha AMC ni Mayor Dipak Majumder Salthang Hangkor ni DM Dr. Bishal Kumarno Khobwi Red Cross Society ni Adongrok Salni Panda o koksani thangai Hasteni Hastepha Indra Sena Reddy Nallu saka Red Cross Society Bishal no dalbidal social samung homung khlayu Phasalo Red Cross Society ni Rwgwi sak Mwsnwgwi Thwi Rwmani Panda Khlaijakha Mwsnwgwi bisingti Hasteni kobangma bemar ongnai lukorok no kaham shepshap manai hinai.
This is not my first time attending such a noble cause, nor it will be my last. You may recall that recently I attended a massive blood donation camp organized by the Lions Club at the CRPF group center. The enthusiasm I witnessed there among our paramilitary personnel and citizens was deeply inspiring. The camp saved lives, and so will this one. I am proud to say that blood donation has become a silent social movement here in Tripura. But friends, let me share a short reality specific to our beloved state. Why do we need this mega camp today? First, look at our roads. With our rapid development in connectivity, the number of vehicles has risen, and unfortunately, so have road traffic accidents. Highways witness dozens of traumatic injuries every month. These victims often require massive, immediate leg transfusion.
Khorang ni Chini Chini Khorang.